Climate change refers to significant and long-term changes in the global climate, primarily driven by human activity. It involves the alteration of temperature, precipitation patterns, and extreme weather events, leading to disruptions in ecosystems, human societies, and the natural world. The primary driver of climate change is the increase in greenhouse gases, GHGs, such as carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O, in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, causing the Earth's average temperature to rise, a phenomenon commonly known as global warming. Human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas for energy production, are the major contributors to the release of GHGs. Deforestation and industrial practices also add to the problem, as they reduce the Earth's capacity to absorb CO2 and release pollutants into the atmosphere. Over the last century, the concentration of these gases has increased dramatically, with current levels far exceeding those seen in pre-industrial times. The effects of climate change are diverse and far-reaching. Rising global temperatures are causing glaciers and polar ice caps to melt, contributing to rising sea levels. This not only threatens coastal cities and infrastructure but also puts millions of people at risk of displacement. Furthermore, higher temperatures increase the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, heat waves, floods, and droughts. These events disrupt agriculture, damage infrastructure, and endanger human health. In addition to physical impacts, climate change is also affecting biodiversity. Many species struggle to adapt to rapidly changing environments, leading to habitat loss and, in some cases, extinction. Ocean acidification, a result of increased CO2 in the atmosphere, is also impacting marine life, particularly coral reefs and shellfish populations. The social and economic consequences of climate change are immense. Agriculture, a vital source of food and income for billions of people, is highly vulnerable to shifts in climate. Changes in crop yields, water availability, and pest patterns threaten food security. Vulnerable populations, particularly in low-income countries, are disproportionately affected, exacerbating existing inequalities. To mitigate the effects of climate change, global cooperation is crucial. Efforts include transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, protecting and restoring ecosystems, and investing in climate-resilient strategies. International agreements like the Paris Agreement aim to limit global warming to below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, with a goal of limiting the increase to 1.5 degrees Celsius to avoid the worst impacts. Ultimately, tackling climate change requires collective action from governments, industries, and individuals to ensure a sustainable future for generations to come.